I'm putting this video together real quick for the DK Custom Club members. It'll be in a sneak peek email that goes out, and maybe in a month or two we'll make it public, but for right now, this is a sneak peek at a little riding that we did on the trip that Mary and I just got back from.
Right, and you've been gone for 31 days on this trip.
Yes.
Out west, you were where, Arizona?
We did most of our riding a little in Idaho, a lot in Colorado, and a lot in Arizona.
Yeah, and see, when I think of Arizona, I think of just a vast, dry desert. You know, some mountains and rock face, but nothing like what we see here.
Yeah, and this is a deserty part, but it is mountainous. Mm-hmm. And at the end of the video, you'll see some of the places, that you're in the woods. I mean, you would think you're in Mississippi or in Northern California or Washington or Oregon or somewhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is we met up with 7 other Trikes in Arizona. Mm-hmm. And we were staying at 7,800 feet, and we went down riding as low as 500 feet and up as high as 10,000 feet. Okay. And this was you can see I'm straightening the roads here and straightening the curves here.
Yeah, and this is you and your buddy Kurt, right?
Yeah. This road was 35 mile an hour speed limit with a lot of places where it's 20, 25. And we were going 50, 60 the whole way up. We might have slowed down to 45 here and there, but yeah, we were moving out. We had to go. We've been holding back. This is our 3rd day of riding with the group, and we've been holding back. Kurt had done really well and been leading the ride, keeping pretty much at the speed limit. But naturally, when there's a curve, Kurt wants to speed up. When I see a curve, it means speed up.
Yeah, I was about to say, don't blame it on him, because I've ridden with you before. And
I'll go slow when it's straight. Going straight is not that interesting to me. Mm-hmm. But if I see a curve, that means give it throttle. Downshift and give it throttle.
Right.
But we have been holding back the whole time, because, there were 6 other Trikes besides our 2. Mm-hmm. And we were at the bottom of the Salt River Canyon, and Kurt told everybody, hey, we'll meet you about 5-6 miles up at the rest area. And we just took off and hauled ass all the way up, and it was a lot of fun. Here we are pulling up.
Y'all feel better now?
Now, what we have here are a few pictures just from the other day's riding when we were more in the wooded area.
And this is still Arizona?
This is Arizona.
Oh, that looks
and
like...
look at the fall colors here.
That looks like Iceland or something.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
So, I mean, these roads are just meant to be ridden. So this is, on this particular road, it was a 60-mile stretch called the Coronado Trail. And it's like being on the Dragon for 60 miles. You don't have the trees overhanging the road like you do the Dragon, but I mean 10-mile-an-hour curves, and in this particular stretch it said no break in the curves for 11 miles. It was a great road. But I got to get back there and just go. I mean, just go.
Yeah. You know it's a good road whenever there's 0 margin for error. You run off the road this way, you hit a rock face. You run off the road this way, it's a 50-foot drop. So,
well, I prefer to stay on the road. I like the curves.
Yeah.
So yes, this is Arizona. It's crazy. Never knew that before Kurt introduced me to some of the riding out there. And of course, some good curves. Those are the mountains in Arizona. Look at that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Hit that notification bell so you'll be updated when our next video comes out.
Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. It's free. Helps us out a lot. And y'all ride safe out there.